The BlackBerry keyboard on your BlackBerry 10 smartphone adapts to how you write and type, providing fast, accurate, and effortless typing. Before you start typing, you can adjust the settings to match your typing style. Navigate to your smartphone settings and tap Language and Input. Here you'll be able to customize your typing experience. To change your typing language, tap Input Languages to add or remove languages. You can even customize automated assistants or turn off word prediction within prediction and correction. The BlackBerry keyboard on all touch devices will appear automatically when you're in a text field. Just start typing to see how smart it really is. And on all touch BlackBerry 10 smartphones, distinct audio tones for different keys ensure you've hit the key you meant to, giving you a comfortable and confident typing experience. The more you use the keyboard, the more it tailors itself to you. It will learn where your fingers tap and adapt to make typing easier. It also has you covered when you're trying to spell those tricky words. Just tap the spacebar to confirm it's the correct word. Notice the small words appearing above letters? These are personalized next word suggestions that are tailored to what you say frequently. To use one of these words, simply flick it into place. It makes completing your thought quicker. To type symbols or numbers, tap the symbols icon. Or simply swipe down on the keyboard and tap the desired key. To type a capital letter, just tap the uppercase icon. Deleting a word is also easy. Just swipe one finger back across the keyboard. And with automated assistants, you can save valuable time by using shortcuts, like double tapping space to end a sentence. To adjust your keyboard shortcuts, access prediction and correction through the Settings menu. If you switch between languages often and have multiple languages added to your smartphone, tap the keyboard language icon to change your keyboard in an instant. When you tap within a block of text, you can drag the circle cursor around, or tap the edge of the circle left or right to move one character at a time. To select text, touch and hold within the text box, then drag the sliders to the desired position. You can also easily select text leveraging the Find Cursor control circle by holding down the Shift key. You can now tap your desired endpoint, or just drag your finger anywhere to move the circle so you can see exactly what is selected. For additional fine-tuning, tap the left or right of the circle outline to highlight character by character. Or tap the top or bottom of the circle to jump up or down a line. Once you have text selected, a menu will appear. Here you can cut, copy, or select all. To paste text, tap the desired location and tap the paste icon. The BlackBerry keyboard already does so much for you, why not let it do it all? Touch and hold the microphone key. Now, say what's on your mind and watch the magic happen.
These are also typically the goals and performance indicators of sales management.
And if you're done with the keyboard, touch and hold the space bar to make it go away. The BlackBerry keyboard learns how you write and adapts to you to get your message across faster and more accurately.